Hey guys, my cousin is gonna try to chug a Mountain Dew without burping and without stopping. Let's see what he does. So what was your reaction?
Bad. I don't feel good.
What do you think is gonna happen?
I'm gonna explode.
Okay. That would suck. Let's see. Let's hold it for 20 seconds and then see if you burp. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay, he didn't burp.
Yay, I passed.